Hello, good people. For those who don't know me, this is Opera Only Prof KT, the intelligent entrepreneurship child teacher in the world. A child who came up with more than 1,000 entrepreneurship topics that are not taught in school. That's why I'm well known as the intelligent entrepreneurship child teacher in the world. But guys, this video is different because I'm not teaching about entrepreneur. Guys, I wanna tell you something. Let me tell you something. Guys, please listen to me. Please listen to me. Let me tell you something. Never give up when things feel hard because difficulty is often a sign that progress is happening. Every step forward matters. Many people quit just before they succeed, not realizing they are only a short distance from their goal. Persistence makes the difference. Please, guys, listen to me. Let me tell you something. When you feel tired, remember why you started in the first place. Your purpose is stronger than temporary discomfort. Success does not come instantly. It grows slowly throughout patience and effort. Keep moving even if progress feels slow. And guys, another thing is every challenge you face is shaping you into a stronger person. Into a stronger person. Hard times are part of the journey, not the end of it. You may not see results immediately, but your work is building something valuable beneath the surface. Trust the process. One love, guys.